ye-ANC ngiyephetheko kodwana nje izithola kufanele ilungise imitjhapho yabenze okumbi. Ukwehla kwesibalo sabavowudi kunye nokwehla isithunzi kwehlangano le seyinesithombe simbi emphakathini. Umengameli balokhuya uNelson Mandela, uThabo Mbeki kunye noJacob Zuma bonke njalo bakhuluma ngoburholi be-ANC namalunga asebenzisa insetshenziswa zombuso bona kuzuze wona. Ekhonferensini yokukhetha uburholi ngo-2007 eBulukwane, Umengameli Mbeki wabuzana kumbuzo ekhonferensini.
Is the ANC capable of discharging its responsibilities to the masses of our people, the peoples of Africa and the rest of the world during this critical phase of our national democratic revolution?
Ngemva kweminyaka eli-15 i-ANC sebujameni obumbi khulu kunaphambilini.
Certain negative and completely unacceptable tendencies have emerged within our movement, which threaten the very survival of the ANC as a trusted servant of the people it has been for 96 years.
Umengameli ophetheko Cyril Ramaphosa ufuna ithuba lesibili lokuhola ihlangano le, uthi ihlangano ebusako ngiyo ungazimba omkhulu kezobukhohlakali kanti nokungasebenzisi kuhle imali zomphakathi. uRamaphosa naye uqale nemraro ngokungasebenzisi kuhle amandla akhe. Umbiko ozijameleko uthole bona umengameli wenze ukuphambana nokulunga ngokubhalelwa ukulandela nokuvikela kunye nokuhlonipha umthethosisekelo wenarha. Nakusenjalo wathi nakuvala ikhonferensi ngo-2017 watshela inthunywa bona amaSewula Afrika abone i-ANC ehlukeneko ne-ANC ebumbeneko.
In recent times, we have seen the ANC at its worst. We have seen an organization that is divided against itself. And yet we have also seen glimpses of the ANC at its best. Over the last few days, we have seen the ANC that we know, the ANC that we love.
I-ANC enemraro le ithome ngokubonakala eminyakeni elithoba nakusaphethe uZuma, kulapho kuvele khona ukulinga ukuthunjwa kombuso, ubukhohlakali nokukhukhuthiswa kwemali. uRamaphosa uthi kufanele ziqedwe izenzo ezinjalo begodi abenza lokho kufanele bavele.
Corruption has to be brought to a stop, and it must happen with immediate effect. We must also act fearlessly against alleged corruption and abuse of office within our own ranks.
Ukuthoma ngo-2009 i-ANC ibonakala ilahlekela lisekelo labavowudi njengombana kunongakanzinze kwemigomo okubonakala kusijijile esikhulu eqalele naso. Mnotho welizwe uyabogaboga, ukuqindeliswa kwegezi ngikho okunomthelela kilokhu. I-Eskom yabhalelwa ukuvikela igezi.